Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is exponential distribution. In this topic, we are going to study the two concepts skewness and kurtosis of exponential distribution. So let us start with the first point, skewness of exponential distribution. Let us see the definition of skewness of exponential distribution. Suppose here x follow an exponential distribution with parameter theta, then the coefficient of skewness is defined as coefficient of skewness is abbreviated by beta 1. So beta 1 is defined as mu 3 square divided by mu 2 cube, means it is the square of third central moment divided by the cube of second central moment. We have already learned the central moment in the previous lecture. The value of mu 3 is, we know that two upon theta cube, and mu 2, the second central moment, is 1 upon theta square. Substitute this value in beta 1, we get beta 1 is equal to 2 by theta cube square divided by 1 upon theta square raised to 3. So it is 4 by theta raised to 6 divided by 1 by theta raised to 6. That is, it is 4. The value of beta 1 is comes out to be 4, which is the coefficient of skewness. Here, since beta 1 is 4 and which is greater than 0, positive value, hence the exponential distribution is positively skewed. Positively skewed. If the beta 1 is positive, then we know that the corresponding distribution is positively skewed. Here beta 1 is 4, which is positive, hence exponential distribution is positively skewed. Now we shall come to the next point, kurtosis of exponential distribution. So let us start with the definition of kurtosis. If x follow exponential distribution with parameter theta, then kurtosis is defined as beta 2 is equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. Kurtosis are abbreviated by a letter beta 2 and which is given by mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. We have already learned the central moments in the previous lecture and we have calculated the values of first central moments. If student want to learn the central moment, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. But we know that the second central moment in case of exponential distribution is 1 by theta square, and fourth central moment is 9 upon theta raised to 4. Substitute these values in the value of beta 2, we get 9 by theta raised to 4 divided by 1 by theta square raised to 2. So it comes out to be 9 by theta raised to 4 divided by 1 by theta raised to 4, which is equal to 9. Hence the value of beta 2, that is the coefficient of kurtosis, is 9, and this value is greater than 3. We know that if beta 2 is greater than 3, then the corresponding distribution is leptokurtic. Hence the exponential distribution is leptokurtic. In this way, in this lecture, we have learned the coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. In coefficient of skewness, we observe that the exponential distribution is positively skewed distribution, but while learning kurtosis, we observed that the exponential distribution is leptokurtic. In the previous lectures, we have already learned the many more concepts from exponential distribution. If students want to learn all the terms, click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is given in the description box. Similarly, we have already covered the topic of central tendency, continuous uniform distribution, and basic concepts from the subject statistics. All the lectures are available on Learn Statistics channel, and link of that all playlists are given in the description box. If students want to learn all the lectures, then please refer to the description box and learn your statistical concept in simple and more easy way. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics to more upcoming videos regarding the statistical concepts. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.